I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become, in the cold light of day we're a flame in the wind, not the fire.
Hi guys, it's your girl Fadas and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my beautiful sister.
Thank you for that, by the way. My name's Teresa.
So what you need to make some is that you need an empty bowl, some glue, some activator, my favorite color and my sister's favorite color.
Thank you.
So what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna open the glue and pour some in. I'm not gonna make that much slime today. That is enough. As you can see, it's very creamy, like yogurt. So now you're gonna add your activator, not too much. Do you want to put in your favorite color?
Yes, please.
Yeah, put it in. Confetti pop. That's too much! I'm gonna put in my favorite color, professionally. Yeah. Gonna mix it up now. Bro, this slime is too good. It's so tiny.
Let me mix.
Okay. What type of mixing was that?
It was mixing.
Roughly. This is how you mix like a professional. Why are you staring at me like that? Guys, I think we need more glue. Stop. Stop!
Yeah, that's enough glue.
You think?
This is how you mix the slime. Mix the slime. Mix the slime. This is how you...
Stop it! Nice color. Give it. Guys, look at our slime color. It looks like the Little Mermaid's tail. Mix it.
Thanks.
And look at this. Give it to me. It's very sticky, but I know any time later it will get perfect. Perfecto. So do you want to touch the slime now? I can see it in a sticky mess
Situation.
Yeah. Do you want to feel some?
No, thank you. I feel the void.
Okay then, if she doesn't want to feel, look at the slime. I thought you said that you didn't want to touch it. Set up a little bit more. As you can see, it's forming little by
Little.
little. Guys, she likes to say stuff before I even say it. Do you want to start touching it now?
Okay.
There you go. Guys, can you see that? It's very, very.
Yeah, it's good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because you're going to play with it in a second. Okay. Hold this spoon. Okay. I'm only going to give her a little piece because I don't want to take the whole thing out and then it'll make a big mess. Come on, take some. Just put that in there. There.
Thank you.
Take. Guys, can you see how white it is? And with the little colors that look like the Little Mermaid's tail. It's very, very stretchy. Now me and my sister are going to do our slime dance. Get over here right now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Dun, 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 dun. Epic fail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye. Love you all.
Bye.
Bye.